Example number 3, another real-life application of the inverse variation. So the law of the lever states that to balance a given person seated on a seesaw, the other person must sit at distance d. So this is going to be the first variable that we'll be using from the fulcrum inversely proportional to its weight, w. Bongbong and Abet are trying to balance on a seesaw. Bongbong weighs 100 pounds and sits 4 feet. Okay? If Abet weighs 80 pounds, how far from the fulcrum must Abet sit so they would be balanced on the seesaw? So dito, gagamit pa rin tayo ng inversely proportional formula, yung kaninang ginawa natin, because D, we all know that D and W are inversely proportional. Okay? So we will be using this particular formula, D's of 1, the first D, or first distance, times W's of 1, which is the weight, the first weight, is equal to D's of 2 times W's of 2. Okay? So, ito yung mga given natin for us to use that. So, W's of 2. Okay, ang mga given natin for this particular problem are as follows. So, the given is D's of 1, W's of 1, D's of 2, W's of 2. So, again, let's look on this particular part. D's of 1, the first distance is 4 feet. Okay? The second, the first weight, no? Itong si Bongbong, no? Yung kanyang weight is 100 pounds. Again, yung weight ni Bongbong is 100 pounds. Ang distance niya ay nakaupo siya sa 4 feet from the fulcrum. Okay? Yung second distance, yun si Abet. Si Abet, wala siyang distance. Kasi ang hinahanap, how far? Tapos ang weight ni Abet, ang binigay lang is 80 pounds. So, ano nga hanap? Paano natin mahanap yung layo ni Abet dun sa fulcrum? Okay? Para maging balance yung seesaw. So, here, we have this particular formula. We will be using this formula. For us to do that, let's have this D's of 1. D's of 1 is 4. Times W's of 1, that is 100. Ito yun. Okay? Equals D's of 2. That is the missing one. W's of 2, yan ay 80. Times 80. Okay, simplifying, 4 times 100, that is 400. Equals D's of 2 times 80, that is 80. D's of 2. Okay, so for us to do that, we will divide this particular right-hand side into 80 to basically isolate the D's of 2. Yun nga hanapin natin. So therefore, the final answer, D's of 2 is equal to 400 divided by 80. That is 5. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, si Abet, kailangan niyang umupo ng 5 feet malayo doon from the fulcrum para maging balance sila ni Bongbong. Okay? Again, thus, Abet must sit 5 feet away from the fulcrum. Okay? So, that is the particular third example, the real-life application. Okay, I want you to try this one. Now, this time, si Bruno and si Alice. Read the problem and follow the method that I proposed in the previous example and answer this one in your notebook. Okay,